Hello everyone, I am Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC coming at you with the Type 3 Gold Valve kits from Racetech. Alright everyone, so today we're taking a closer look at the Type 3 Gold Valve kits coming from Racetech. Now Racetech's a company out of California. They were founded by a man named Paul Thede, and they've been doing this since 1984, so they have a lot of years when it comes to off-road suspension. Now what's awesome about the Type 3 Gold Valve kits is you can buy these on our website at Rocky Mountain, and they allow you to revalve your suspension, get it customized and set up for you, and you can do it from your own home. So it's going to save you a lot of money, the money you would typically spend sending your suspension off to have it done by a company. So now, I get asked a lot, is revalving your suspension worth it? Is it worth the time? Is it worth the money? Is it going to make that much a difference? And for me, my opinion, the answer is yes. I feel that some of the best money spent for any motorcycle is to get your suspension revalved. And the reason I say that is every rider is different, okay? So that means that having your bike set up for your weight, your skill level, the type of riding you're gonna be doing, it makes a huge difference in how your bike is gonna perform. It's gonna make you more confident. It's also gonna help you be a better, faster rider too, if that's what you're looking for. It's important to remember that the manufacturers, when they make their bikes in that stock setting, okay, they have to kind of choose a setting that they think is going to be best for the most amount of people. For example, I have a 2018 RMZ 450. So for that bike, maybe Suzuki said, you know what, we're going to have this set up and valved for a 180-pound intermediate motocross rider. And for the most part, they do a good job. But unless you fit that profile exactly, well, you're not going to have the suspension set up the way you're going to want it to. And that's why these Gold Valve kits are so nice to have, because it allows you to get it set up for you and exactly what you are looking for. Now the science and the technology behind their Gold Valves is actually really cool. So in my hands, I have the compression piston. Okay, this is one that comes in your kit. Now this is one of their Gold Valves, and this is really, you could say, the heart and soul of Racetech. This is what they're known for. And the reason that these Gold Valves are so nice is that with a lot of stock setups, okay, what they actually do is they design their pistons to control some of the damping in their suspension. Now the problem with that is that once you do that, you're taking away some of the tuning and some of the adjustments that can be made with the shim stack. Now to give you a great example of this, I have in my hand right here, this is the stock piston for a 2018 RMZ 450. Here is the Gold Valve, or the piston that comes from Racetech. Now if you look at the stock piston, you can see that on both sides, it's pretty much identical. Now if you look at the one from Racetech here, okay, if you look at the top and look at the bottom, they're different. So what they do is they actually increase the oil flow that you're gonna get in their Gold Valves. And the reason that they wanna increase that oil flow, they say up to 3 times the amount of oil flow with a lot of the pistons, is that way it allows you to put the valving and the control of that on the shim stack versus on the piston. And that's how you're gonna get that customized setup, is using that oil flow along with a customized valve stack. So what happens is when you order your kit's going to come with your compression rebound, or your compression pistons, along with your rebound pistons. It's also going to come with all your shims and everything you need to do the complete revalve. And what you're going to do is you're going to pick up your kit, okay, and it's going to come with an access code. So once you're on the website, you go to Racetech's website, you're going to plug in their access code, and once you do that, they have what they call their DVS, or digital valve search. And you're going to enter in some information once you're doing that. It's going to ask you, say, your rider weight, okay, the type of riding you're going to be doing, the skill level you're going to be riding at, and based on the information that you're going to be putting in there, it will actually go through its database and it will give you a customized valve stack to go into your suspension. And that's how you're getting that customized setup, is with their DVS. It's really cool that Racetech is doing this. So once you have your digital valve stack and you know exactly what needs to be done, okay, and you can see all your shims are going to come included with the kit. Now keep in mind that you're not going to be using all the shims that come in here. You are going to have some left over, so don't panic if you have some left over once you're done with all the instructions. But you're going to look at your shim stack, what everything is going to come included, and you're also going to have in the box instructions. And these instructions are going to tell you how to disassemble and put everything back together. So make sure you go through this thoroughly, take your time with it. And also, we do have how-to videos that are attached to the product page. And if you watch those, actually Paul Thede will go through and actually show you disassembly, putting the Gold Valve in along with that custom stack, and then putting everything back together. So make sure, give those videos a watch. But that is it. That is the Type 3 Gold Valve kit coming from Racetech. Again, customized valving for your suspension, but you can do it from your own home. going to save you a lot of money, and this is the same setup that I have in my 2018 RMZ 450, and I have absolutely loved it. So to pick up your kit, you can click on the link or head over to our website at RockyMountainATVMC.com. Just don't forget they are machine specific, so when you're picking these up, just enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike, and you will be good to go. If you guys have any questions about these, comment below, give us a call, chat live online, we'll get your questions answered. And I want to know, if you have Racetech suspension now, well, comment below, let us know what you think about it. That's really going to help other riders out who are looking to revalve their suspension. And do not forget, guys, that orders over $75 ship free. And if you guys like this video, want to see more like it, well, just click and subscribe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.